In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion database to ChatGPT using Retrieval Augmented Generation, also known as RAG, along with some handy scripts. Let's begin by navigating to your Notion workspace. First, locate your profile icon situated at the upper left of your screen. This is your starting point for accessing various settings and options, so go ahead and click on that, which brings you closer to the inner workings of your Notion account. Now that you have clicked on your profile, the next step on our journey is to click on the Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing and managing your Notion experience. You'll find it within the menu that just appeared after you selected your profile icon. Clicking on Settings is an essential step because it leads you to various configuration options, including those we will need to establish a connection with ChatGPT. With the Settings menu now open, direct your attention to the Connections tab. By clicking on Connections, you're exploring the heart of integrating external applications with your Notion settings. This is the area where you can manage and establish the links between Notion and other apps or services, including our target today, ChatGPT. Next, you'll need to look for the option labeled Explore on Notion MCP. This stands for Market Connections page, where you can explore different integrations provided by Notion. Click on Explore on Notion MCP, and you will be taken to a curated list of potential connections that could enhance your productivity and unify your workflow. The final piece of the puzzle involves linking ChatGPT with your Notion account. On this exploration page, search for and click on the option to connect on ChatGPT. Doing so will initiate the integration process. This step is crucial as it enables the flow of information between ChatGPT and your Notion, allowing ChatGPT to access data from your Notion databases, thereby supporting retrieval augmented generation capabilities. This, in turn, can enrich how you interact with your data, making inquiries and getting responses more aligned with your specific datasets. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully linked your Notion database to ChatGPT. This integration opens up a wealth of possibilities for automating tasks, enhancing your productivity, and making your Notion workspace even more powerful. Whether it's for research, data analysis, or simply managing everyday tasks, the connection you've established can transform how you work. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more tutorials like this one to keep exploring the ever-evolving landscape of technology and productivity tools.